on, spring is on the way. Not just yet, but for most of us, for most of the coming week, it's going to be dry and increasingly warm. Let me show you what's happening. We still have a deep area of low pressure to the north, that swirl of cloud there. This front is pushing down into France out of the way. There's still plenty of showers in northern and western parts of Britain, however. That's the way the weather chart looks. Our air, pure though it is, has come straight from the North Pole, so it's cold air. And lots of isobars. It's very windy indeed in the northeast of Scotland. Severe gales, gusts over 70 miles an hour at the moment. But this little gem of a high pressure will push in from the west during the course of the week, and you'll notice a less than subtle change in the wind direction as we go through the week. The wind's gradually moderating in the northeast during tomorrow as pressures continue to rise, and then the high pressure very much in charge on Tuesday. The winds having changed by then into the south, a much warmer direction, slowly warming up everywhere by then. This weather front may briefly brush against the far northwest of Scotland, but not producing much in the way of rain. That's Wednesday chart. The high still very much in charge, warm southerly winds over the whole country after a cool start by then. And then looking farther ahead, there's some uncertainty as to the exact position of those two weather fronts there, but we think that we've got more or less right. They'll come across Scotland and northern parts of Ireland and some northern parts of England during the course of Thursday and Friday, bringing slightly less mild air across, but the air's from Greenland instead of the North Pole, and believe me, that is better. But there are plenty of showers about at the moment. Some hail and snow showers in the north, indeed blizzard conditions on the mountains of northern Scotland, and rain, sleet and hail showers breaking out fairly widely in the south. Still dry in many central and eastern parts, but showers will break out widely there during the course of the afternoon and into the evening, and then dying out, I think, during the course of the evening. Big wind arrows in the north and east here. Severe gales, as I said, gusts still in Shetland over 70 miles an hour. Bitterly cold up there too, but lighter winds and higher temperatures as we come southwards. This evening, wintry showers running down the east coast as far south as Norfolk by then, but dying out in many other areas except the northern half of Scotland. A fairly widespread frost night, temperatures -1, -2 in many parts of the country. Then the showers gradually becoming fewer in northern Scotland during the course of Monday. A cold breeze still in the east, but a dry one. Still cold though, those temperatures there. Tuesday, well, temperatures very slowly warming up. Widespread frost early and late. Still the odd spot of rain in the far northwest of Scotland, but rain rather than snow. Some rain getting into the far northwest of Scotland later on Wednesday as well. But temperatures warming up tremendously by then. Double figures in many places by the end of Wednesday and on Thursday. Some fog patches night and morning, but clearing during the course of the morning. A band of rain, perhaps pushing eastward across Northern Ireland and Scotland during the course of Thursday, and some further rain and showers in the north.